Kindle the patriotic fervor, I take the opportunity to welcome our chief guests, Colonel Kumar Ranvijay and Mrs. Ranvijay, our guiding light principal ma'am, and Miss Kavita Sri Kumar, and ever so affable Director Gitanjali ma'am and Chairman Gopal sir, to come forward and hoist the Earth has always been a land of seekers, from Aryabhat to Dr. K. Sivan. We Indians have worked hard and always sought and asked questions. We never refrain from reforming ourselves from time to time. Other than celebrating the national glory and recalling the achievements of our nation builders, we should pledge together to remove all prevailing social evils, take an oath to maintain the integrity and sovereignty of our country. As we watch our national flag unfold, it strikes a true patriotic chord in our hearts that gives us a feeling of being one with the nation despite our diversity. Let us join together and show the respect to our national flag and national anthem. लहू देकर की जिसकी हिफाजत हमने, ऐसे तिरंगे को सदा अपनी आंखों में बसाए रखना. Let's feel one with our mother nation, that we be united with one spirit of love that unite us as sons and daughters of one mother, as we pay homage to our national flag. The tree of liberty must be refreshed from time to time with the blood of patriots and tyrants. You are requested to rise and face towards the guest box for the national anthem and flag hoisting. आप सभी अभिभावकगण से यह अनुरोध है कि झंडा तोलन और राष्ट्रगान के लिए अपनी जगह पर खड़े हो जाएं.
A very good morning to all present here. A special occasion like this today could not be given amiss to meet all the wonderful parents that we have here. A special day for a democratic India today in the 72nd Republic Day of our beloved country, and an equally democratically arranged program with parents who like making an informed choice. You have been our strength in taking in new strides and marching in different directions literally. I welcome you all to the annual Sports Day at Scholars High. A warm greeting to our chief guests at the center. Last year on this very stage, our guest Shri Vishnu Sharma parted for his heavenly abode, blessing us in many ways while he took his last breath. As he watches us from above, may he keep showering his blessings on us. We pray to the Almighty to give him peace to the departed soul and wish to pay our sincere respects. हम अपनी दुआओं में उन्हें निरंतर याद रखते हैं. In the year 2020, we have spoken too much about the evident fear and difficulties. What it also brought was a new experience and exposure in teaching. True to the saying, necessity is the mother of all invention. Here probably it was a discovery where we realized that we could survive in a different environment. This knowledge has helped us achieve new heights, finally given us choice between online classes and activities and offline mode. No, I'm not here to debate on the better. I just say that now they can complement each other. With great expectations for a better year ahead, we have dared to organize a few programs at our school with limited and yet enthusiastic parents who are willing to see that their children excel. It's ironic that this year we fear the very meetings that we relished till last year. We do understand the risk involved in these times, so do the parents. Choosing between children facing psychological tensions at being holed up in their homes for so long, stuck to their screen, and this refreshing experience as a stress-relieving activity is the need of the hour. It has given me immense pleasure over the years to lead both Scholars High and Child World family ahead. And it is time now that I hand over the baton to a more stable and competent hand, which I find in my newfound friend and associate, or may I say partner in progress. I may very proudly introduce to you Principal Scholars High, Madam Kavita Shri Kumar, wife of Brigadier Shri Kumar, the station commandant who joined the station in May 2020, coming from Pune and has 27 years of experience in Army. Her journey is nothing less than a saga. She has already worked as principal in Army Pre-Primary School Meerut, has served in KVs in different Army schools all over India. She joined the school on 5th of July and took over principal officially in the month of November. She has traveled the world, worked in Vietnam when her husband was a defense attaché for 3 years, a multi-talented and multifaceted personality, and has served as Army officer's wife with various commendable welfare work that she undertakes on regular basis. A doting mother to a wonderful daughter, an animal rights activist, an educator, superb administrator, a very kind and large-hearted personality, juggling many roles with aplomb. It gives me immense pleasure in calling her to the stage to share her message. As I hand over the command to her in the hope that she would open new dimensions and new avenues of development, usher in a new era of discipline and zeal. She has already started to work hard and has been trying to achieve long-standing unfulfilled dream of a complete school with affiliation. This being the first order of business that she wishes to accomplish. Under her reign, and she has already put the wheels in motion. I believe not just Scholars High, but Ramgarh as a whole would benefit from her exposure from all around the world for more than 3 decades. Thank you. Over to you, ma'am. It's all yours from here. Handing over the mic to you. Please put your hands together for Kavita Shri Kumar.
Thank you, ma'am. A very good morning. Honorable Chief Guest, parents, teachers, and talented children of Scholars High Academy, Ramgarh. I wish each one of you a happy Republic Day. As you all are aware that today we as a nation are celebrating 72nd Republic Day, and on this auspicious occasion, I pray to Almighty for its further rise and enhancement at global stage. I also take this opportunity to welcome you all at the annual Sports Day meet. Our school firmly believes that sound bodies possess sound minds, and I am proud that my students are towing the same line and doing well both in studies and in sports. It's good to see you all fresh, happy, and enthused about the performances which are about to start with all those students participating in various sports events. I wish them best of luck for their performances and pray that they are able to put forward their best. Those students who have not participated this year should be encouraged today to be part of this event for the next year. I believe that you all are excited about the Sports Day arrangements made by our school, but before that, I also want to congratulate the faculty members. And special mention to Naik Dharmender Singh from SRC for helping our students to learn the march past. Without their support and hard work, it would not be possible to conduct such an amazing event. I once again thank you all, especially the parents, for believing in us and providing us the same support for making our students a better human being in today's society. I hope we will continue this tradition of celebrating annual Sports Day. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your encouraging words. Now I would request Kavita ma'am to stay back as our escort to usher the chief guest and our chairman, sir, Mr. Gopal Jaju, to the stage. Now it's time to kindle the flame of sports, which ignites the passion of sporting spirit. The torch and the flame are two of the stand for taking over the torch now goes to Master Rashid Kumar, who exhibits good leadership qualities and is an outstanding sportsperson. Finally, all the youths come forward to light the cauldron with the flame of peace and harmony. Make this light glow to remove darkness in the lives of all.
School and houses. Thank you. Very day in 1950. As we are aware that we celebrate our Independence Day and Republic Day as a national festival. India has got many religions, many castes, but we all are united because of this national festival, and we are under one tricolor because of all this, and that's why our country is so great. Just for the sake of the students, I must share few facts about the Republic Day. As you are aware, many of you must be knowing what is the difference between the Independence Day flag hosting and Republic Day flag hosting. Just for the knowledge of the student, on Independence Day, flag is always 1 feet or 1.5 feet down from the pole, and we raise the flag high because we got the independence that day. But on the Republic Day, flag is always up, and we just host the flag because that day we got the republic. We became the republic. So this is the major difference between the Independence Day flag hosting and Republic Day flag hosting. Today I saw a very good march past by this young student of the Scholar High. That reminds me my school days. I also studied nearby in Sainik School Tilaiya. From there I passed out and joined NDA, then came to the army. So I am also from this very land.
Just believe we have a goal for Mother India. We can achieve, we can achieve. You and me, we'll do our part. Stand together, heart to heart. We're going to show the world what India can be. We can achieve, we can achieve. There is something down the road that we can try for. We have done our dreams to go that we can strive for.
applause.
Thank you. Very good morning, all of you present here. Before starting to anything, I must congratulate and pass on my heartiest congratulations on the 72nd Republic Day. I will take 3-4 minutes of yours, if you will permit me. May I have your permission? Yeah, please, thank you. One country, one nation, one vision, and one identity. We normally speak, no country and nation is perfect. We need to make it perfect. This can be implemented for the schools also. And that requires your cooperation, parents' cooperation, to whole management, to the principal and everyone. Can we? So I today developed this particular slogan with this line, we can. Can we or not? Please, we can? Yeah, we can. So your cooperation always seeks to give a new life to any institution or to any organization. वो दुनिया का कोई भी स्कूल हो, आपकी कोऑपरेशन के बिना वो नहीं चलेगा. आपको कोऑपरेट करना है. And now, without further ado, I would like to request to all of you कि आप अपने लिए खुद एक बार ताली मारें, खुद अपने लिए. Because I know Vivekanand always speaks, no one can motivate to others. Yourself can motivate yourself. So every single child, everyone who has really participated here, and every member and mentors who really have given their utmost time and sincere efforts to make this wonderful program on the stage, really great and awesome for them. From my side, it is really great. Thank you very much. Now, I am, as दोनों बच्चों ने कहा, no need of introduction, but this is the love and affection of Ramgarh to me, to Pankaj, not Principal Army School, to Pankaj especially. And हमारे सर भी हमें पंकज बोलते हैं प्यार से, so thank you sir. And किसी की पहचान आप ही देते हैं. This school's journey I have found from the very beginning, जब स्कूल चाइल्ड वर्ल्ड था, and the journey of child world and this scholars high, there is a gap of 10 and 15 years if I'm not wrong. Correct? Yeah. 17th year in progress. But these 17 years is just because of your cooperation. And in between those 17 years, director ma'am, chairman, everyone has put very hard efforts, and now they are initiating for class 10th and 12th and affiliation processes going on. So actually they are searching one person to handle the things nicely. So, and finally I got this information that principal has joined this school. So from my side, many congratulations to Kavita ma'am, as she has joined as principal this school. And this is the juncture, this is the stage where your cooperation required, and there is no need, like he told ki no introduction requires. Ma'am is new here in Ramgarh, but she has spent 20 odd years at different stations. She is vast experience in different dimensions. She has lots of things. You don't know, but I personally know, because somehow we gather the things from the educationists about the educationists. So whatever the education, whatever the experience and creativity she is having as a principal, now together in the boat, all the members, principal, chairman, director, and most important, you people, that is parents. So I hope the parents will definitely support the new principal, the new scholar high, and upcoming situation of class 10th and 12th at the Ramgarh's juncture, because Ramgarh needs a good school, and that good school cannot be possible without your support. As far as principal is concerned, I was just going through the whole things about the new ma'am. She has a lot of experience, not only in India, outside India also. You see, you imagine, now your children and your child will definitely get some different experience, different creativity and different ideas, not only of Indian context, but also from the broad side. Because if the leader is highly experienced and creative, definitely the school and the children will be creative and more experienced, and you can say rather good and very best and excellent. So in coming more years, in coming future, I hope that this school will definitely do wonderful, and very soon my best wishes for the affiliation process which is going on, and I hope that they are just, you can say, at the door where in coming 5 or 6 months, I hope that they will get this affiliation and everything. And principal is here, you are here, chairman and director is here, everyone is here. So this school will be the best school in Ramgarh, and at local surrounding, what your children really needs, a good school for the nourishment, for the perfect teaching and education, everything. So with this hope that I think I'm talking too much, I'm very talkative because I am by born and brought up a teacher. So मैं ज़्यादा बोलता हूँ, but ये जो बोल रहा हूँ, आप स्कूल को मदद करें, प्रिंसिपल को सपोर्ट करें, प्रिंसिपल को कोऑपरेट करें, चेयरमैन को कोऑपरेट करें, है ना। अगर वो हाथ होते हैं तो होने दें, बच्चों की भलाई के लिए है ना। आपका बच्चा अच्छा बनेगा, स्कूल से अच्छा बनेगा, फिर आप दुनिया के किसी कोने में जाएं, स्कॉलर हाई और चाइल्ड वर्ल्ड जरूर आप बोलेंगे, ठीक है। सो फॉर द प्रिंसिपल आई ऑलवेज स्पीक वन लाइन, पीपल से स्काई इज द लिमिट, बट आई स्पीक फॉर प्रिंसिपल, डोंट speak sky is the limit. Don't speak sky is the limit. With this, thank you very much. With this expectation that you will cooperate a lot and the school will be greater in the future. Thank you very much. Jai Hind. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your motivating words. Now, students, the final participants are Prisha Manak, Ansh Gaurav, Heer Vadera, Zain Imam, Vanshika Sinha, and Atish Chaturvedi. Let us welcome them with a big round of applause.
Can we hear it up? Can we hear it up for you, parents? Yours. Sports bring many benefits to children. Physical exercise is done regularly builds confidence, agility, and team spirit from a very young age. Moving on to our next sports category, it is hurdle and ball race of Montessori 3.
Students, let's welcome our final participants. The names are Nandani Kumari, Rajveer, Pratham Kumar Singh, Siddharth Kumar Roy, Vinayak Hora, Atal Kumar.
As you can see, the hurdles are set up on the ground. Students have to jump over the small hurdles and under the bigger hurdles.
Pick up the ball kept in the ring from the other end, come back from under the big hurdle, and jump over the smaller hurdle to finish the race.
The first child to finish the race is wins.
So now, please welcome them with a huge round of applause.
Expect to win. So let's begin with our Montessori 4 finalist children with a sack race, a fantastic paper pitch. Let's start with speed.
The participants have to line up on the starting line inside the sack. Hopping and jumping, they will reach the other end. Leave the sack there and run back to the finishing line to complete the race.
The first to jump, hop, bounce and wobble to finish line is the winner. So let's cheer for our little finalists.
Rajveer Shah, Kritika Singh, Avraj Singh Arora, Abhi Banerjee, Dipanshu Agarwal and Vaibhav Kumar. Let's all cheer them up for an exciting race.
To cover the stage, to give away the medals, and I will request our escorts to lead them forward.
It's a way of living that aims towards a healthy mind in a healthy. The aspirant feels rejuvenated and energized. Yoga bestows upon every aspirant that powers to control our mind.
Yoga builds strength, confidence, and flexibility. In this pandemic time, yoga has been very useful in improving immunity, relieving stress, and maintaining
Unique yoga online competition are
Stands first, Ivan Singh Hora. Stands second, Videsh Jain. Stands third, Avik Agarwal. Please give it up for them.
for Montessori 2
first, Adya Abhinav. Stands second, Ekta Chaudhary. Stands third, Ansh Gaurav. I repeat, for Montessori 2, stands first, Adya Abhinav. Stands second, Ekta Chaudhary. Stands third, Ansh Gaurav. Please give a big hand for them. For Montessori 3, stands first, Inayat Hora. Stands second, Avdhi Kumari. Stands third, Sanvi Kumari. I repeat, stands first, Inayat Hora. Stands second, Avdhi Kumari. Stands third, Sanvi Kumari. For Montessori 4, join first, Avrar Singh Arora and Ishpreet Kaur. Join second, Tehzeeb Fatima and Sehaj Kaur. Stands third, Swapnil Sahu. I repeat, stands first, Avrar Singh Arora and Ishpreet Kaur. Join second, Tehzeeb Fatima and Sehaj Kaur. Stands third, Swapnil Sahu. Ayan Kumar and Myra Singh. Stands third, Zain Imam. I repeat, stands first, Adya Abhinav. Join second, Ayan Kumar and Myra Singh. Stands third, Zain Imam. First, Sanvi Kumari. Stands second, Anand Sahu. Stands third, Inayat Hora. I repeat, stands first, Sanvi Kumari. Stands second, Anand Sahu. Stands third, Inayat Hora. Montessori 4, stands first, Tehzeeb Fatima. Stands second, Sehaj Kaur. Stands third, Chirag Media. Thank you, ma'am. I would now request our escorts to usher the guests. Let's give a huge round of applause for student of class 1. Can we have it for our little joggers? Who have been selected for final round are Akshit Purwar, Ashri Palak Toblo, Sehajdeep Kaur, Raj Shekhar, Aman Ray and Riyaz Sharma. In this race, there are 5 hurdles on the way, 3 small and 2 big hurdles. Students have to jump over the small ones and pass under the big one. After crossing the hurdles, they have to run back to the starting point using the path next to the hurdle. They have to repeat this twice. It means they have to cross all the hurdles 2 times and reach the starting point to complete the race. The one who completes the race first is the winner. Let's soon and show your support to the students. Pat yourself, parents. Hands in the air, please. Aditya Rana, Prabal Singh, Palak Gupta and Shubh Kumar Jha. Here are 6 hurdles lined up on the track. Participants have to jump over the small hurdles and go through the big hurdles and reach the other end back to the starting point. They have to finish 2 laps to successfully complete. Ready? The first one to finish the race will
Lakshana Campbell. He is the principal of Army Public School and has served many years in teaching and building future of young minds.
I would request our guest of honor, Mr. Pankaj Jain, Principal Ma'am and Chairman Sir, to come on stage to give our medals for Standard 1 to 4. I would request our escorts to lead them forward.
The first category is yoga competition. For standard 1 and 2, stands first Shreyansh Chaturvedi. Stands second Sudiksha Chaturvedi. Stands third Pari Singh.
Diksha Jain. Stand second, Diya Mani. Joint third, Aradhana Verma and Manan Singh Hora. A big round of applause for the winners.
Arjun.
I repeat, stands first, Purav Jain. Stands second, Devyani Sharma. Stands third, Aditya Vikram Jaiswal.
Singh. Stands second Adhyan Jain. Stands third Aradhya Sahu.
For class 2, stands first, Sehajdeep. Stands second, Raj Shekhar. Stands third, Ashri.
A big round of applause for them. For class 3, stands first Manan Singh Hora. Stands second Aditya Rana. Stands third Amreep Rana. I repeat myself. Stands first Manan Singh Hora. Stands second Aditya Rana. Stands third Amreep Rana. A huge round of applause for them.
Stands first, Lakshmi. Stands second, Samman Singh. Stands third, Arnav Kumar.
I request Kavita ma'am to present memento to the guest of honor. Thank you, sir.
Ready, steady, and go. And go.
Nowadays, girls have excelled in all the fields, even in sports.
Steady, and go.
Parents, can we hear it up for our young athletes?
Our first category is yoga competition. For standard 5 to 8, stands first Bhavika Jaju and Urvi Jain. Stands second Arya Srivastava. Stands third Shaurya Singh.
Our next category is singing competition. For standard 5 to 8, stands first Anirudh Pratap Jaiswal and Om Sagar. Stands second Tanveen Kaur. Stands third Sahil Sinha.
Our next category is Hindi Vakta. For standard 5 to 8, stands first Niharika Kumari. Stands second Palak Pavni.
First, Ranveer Shah. Stands second, Ayush Kumar. Stands third, Mahi Arora.
For class 7 to 10 boys, stands first Hemant Nath. Stands second Arjun Jaiswal. Stands third Arpit Kumar.
For class 7 to 10 girls, stands first Jessica Moses. Stands second Bhavika Jaju and stands third Surbhi Agarwal.
this. And we thank him once again for his precious time. We wish to thank his better half, Mrs. Jigyasa Sinha ma'am, for encouraging the children with her graceful presence. Let us all thank them with a big round of applause. Hope he carries good memories, and we would like to apologize if we missed on any protocols in our enthusiasm and excitement. We thank our guest, Pankaj Sir, Principal Army School, for having spared time from his tight schedule. Let us put our hands together for this veteran in the field of education. A special mention to our Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Kavita Srikumar, Director Gitanjali Ma'am, and Chairman Gopal Sir, for being the catalyst that inspired us to do our best and stand as a pillar of power. A special mention to Lance Naik Dhirendra Singh for patiently training our students for the parade and our visiting PTIs for judging the sports events. We have been fortunate to be supported by a team of very active and dedicated employees and scholars who are well versed with their jobs. My sincere gratitude to all the participants, students and parents for their rock solid support and encouragement. I thank you all for being here with us today and making it an impressive show. It has been a great pleasure. I am very grateful to the staff and the faculty members for successfully organizing this event, which required great planning and a bird's eye for details. Once again, wishing you all a very happy Republic Day. Thank you and Jai Hind.